Hello. For this week's discussion board, we're supposed to consider the textbook reading and the modules lecture, and just consider what are the reasons that some design match some programs better than others, and then just give an example, and then consider which design we would use for our program evaluation, and discuss how that could be used in our evaluation plan. So what I gathered from the reading and just different material, some designs work better than others for certain programs or program evaluation, because it just really depends on what you're trying to find. So first, you want to consider, what am I trying to learn or understand? What must I focus on first? What do I need to know or evaluate? And then pick a design plan based on that. I also found some information saying that you should, check out the current research or data available to consider, what is currently being used for whatever it is that you're trying to learn, because each design method has, different things that they're looking at and researching. So for whatever it is specifically that you want to know about a program, that would depend on which method you chose. And then as it relates to the program evaluation that we have, through all the different ones that were in the lecture this week, one of the ones that stood out to me that may be beneficial for my program evaluation would be internal validity. And what internal validity is, it's just a method that helps gain confidence regarding like the cause and effect relationship in a study, and it also helps with explaining that this cause and effect relationship cannot be better explained by something else. So I found an article online that kind of went over internal validity a little bit more in detail. So according to Bedarkey, in 2021, they were just saying there's 3 conditions that must occur for internal validity. One of them is you want to look at your treatment and response variables, and that they have to change together throughout your research. Treatment should precede changes in a variable response, and then no confounding or external factors could explain the results of your story. So basically, when it comes to internal validity, it's helpful when you're trying to establish, like I said, the cause and effect relationship. And then it also has some limits in that it only helps you understand a specific study question. So like for my program evaluation, I'm choosing to evaluate a previous internship that I did through Connections here in Delaware. I interned at the men's residential program in Harrington, and one of the common complaints from clients there was just the MAT services. They were not satisfied, and they didn't really feel like they had a choice in their treatment. So this kind of research design method would be helpful in understanding, did the MAT service have, that effect on treatment? So like I said, it limits because it's only going to help you understand your specific question. So what it means essentially is that, you would have evidence of what you did in the study, what you learned, but it's only going to give you evidence of, you did something that caused an effect. So you saw something that caused an effect. So for me specifically, for the program evaluation, that would be a good one for me, because I'm trying to look specifically on if the MAT services, had a direct effect on client satisfaction with their treatment. Thank you.